In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put Peso sign in WPS Mobile. This is a simple and practical method that works well when you are editing documents on your phone and need to add currency symbols for prices, budgets, or financial details. Even on a small screen, you can insert the Peso sign cleanly without changing your document layout or typing special characters. To get started, use your mobile device and open your favorite browser. Once the browser is open, go to the search bar and type Peso sign. After running the search, you will see different results showing the Peso sign. Take your time to find a Peso sign that is clearly visible and easy to select on your screen. When you see the Peso sign, highlight it by pressing and holding on the symbol until the selection controls appear. Adjust the selection if needed so that only the Peso sign is highlighted. Once it is selected properly, copy it using the copy option on your screen. This saves the symbol so you can insert it into your document. Next, switch to your WPS document. Make sure the document is already open and that you are editing the correct file. Scroll through the page and confirm that you are exactly on the spot where you want the Peso sign to appear. Placing the cursor correctly is important so the symbol appears in the right position within your text or numbers. Once you are on the correct spot, long press on that area of the document. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, tap Paste. As soon as you do this, the Peso sign will appear where your cursor was placed. You can now continue typing normally, and the symbol will remain part of your content. This method is very useful when you are working on invoices, expense lists, price tables, or any document that requires currency symbols. Since you are copying a standard Peso sign, it will display properly and stay consistent with the rest of your text. You can repeat the same steps anytime you need to insert the Peso sign again in other parts of the document. Using this approach helps you work faster on mobile and avoids mistakes that can happen when trying to type special symbols manually. It also keeps your document looking clean and professional even when editing on the go. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.